Hello everyone. Today the topic is on Woodward-Fisher rules for calculating absorption maximum in alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compounds. So Woodward and Fisher frame certain empirical rules for estimating the absorption maximum for alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compounds. Then it is modified by Scott. So the basic value of alpha beta unsaturated ketone is taken as 215 millimicron. The alpha beta unsaturated ketone may be acyclic or 6 member. The next one is for alpha beta unsaturated 5 member ring ketone. So he assigned the value 202 nanometer or millimicron. And there is an increment for each exocyclic double bond and each alkyl substituent and for the extending conjugation. So for each alkyl substituent or ring residue depends the position, the values will change. So if the alkyl substituent present in the alpha position, we have to add 10 nanometer. If it is present in the beta position, increment is 12 nanometer. If it is present at gamma and higher position means delta plus 1, delta plus 2, that's the higher position. So we need to add 18 nanometer. And for each exocyclic double bond, we need to add 5 nanometer. And for every double bond extending conjugation, we have to add 30 nanometer. And for the homoannular conjugated diene, the increment is 39 nanometer. And for other oxochromes, depends the position, whether it's present in alpha or beta, the values changes. Let us look into some examples. Calculate lambda max for the given structure. So when you see this structure, the basic value for acyclic alpha beta unsaturated ketone is 250 nanometer or millimicron. So it has a alkyl substituent at beta position. There is a 2 alkyl substituent at beta position. So the basic value or parent value is 215 millimicron. It's a acyclic alpha beta unsaturated ketone. Then for 2 beta alkyl substituent, we need to add 2 into 12, 24 millimicron. So the calculated value is 239 millimicron. The observed value is found to be 237 millimicron. Okay, we will calculate for some other compounds. Here, the given compound is an alpha beta unsaturated 6 member ring ketone, and it is having 2 beta ring residues. So the basic value is 215 millimicron, 2 beta ring residues, so 2 into 12 nanometer, so it is 24 nanometer, and this compound is having 1 exocyclic double bond. So we have to add 5 millimicron. So the calculated value is 244. The observed value is found to be 241. Look into next example. The given compound has been an alpha beta unsaturated 6 member ring ketone, and it is having 1 OH substitution at alpha position and 2 beta substituents, that is 1 alkyl and another one is a ring residue. So for the parent value, we need to put 215 millimicron, and for the OH substitution at to alpha position, we need to add 35 millimicron, and for 2 beta substituents 24 millimicron, we have to add 24 millimicron. The calculated value is 274 millimicron. The observed value is found to be 275 millimicron. See the next example. The given structure represents an alpha beta unsaturated 6-membered cyclic ketone. It's having a ring residue at alpha position and another ring residue at delta position. It is having an exocyclic double bond, and you can see the one double bond extending conjugation, and we have to add for homoannular conjugated diene. So the parent value is 250 nanometer, one alpha ring residue 10 nanometer, and for one delta ring residue the value is 80 nanometer, one exocyclic double bond we have to add 5 nanometer, and for one double bond extending conjugation we need to add 30 nanometer, and another 39 nanometer is added for one homoannular conjugated diene. So the calculated value is 317 nanometer. The observed value is 319 nanometer. Now we calculate for an alpha beta unsaturated cyclopentanone system. So the basic value is 202 millimicron. You can see one alkyl substitution at the beta position. So 12 millimicron. Then one exocyclic double bond is present in that. So we have to add 5 millimicron. Then it is having an one double bond extending conjugation. So we have to add 30 millimicron. And there is a ring residue at gamma position. So we have to add 18 millimicron. And one ring residue at delta position. So we have to add 18 millimicron. So the calculated value is 285 millimicron. Observed value is 287 millimicron. Compute lambda max for the given compound. So here the basic value for alpha beta unsaturated 6-membered cyclic ketone is 215 millimicron. So you can see the ring residue at beta position and also at delta plus 1 and delta plus 2 position. And there is a 2 double bonds extending conjugation. So 2 into 30 millimicron, it is 60 millimicron. And you can see 2 exocyclic double bonds. So 2 into 5, 10 millimicron. So totally the value is 351 millimicron. So this calculated value is 351 millimicron. So the observed value is 354 millimicron.